Alright, today we're going to take a look at a flat 4 engine, and this being off of a Subaru Outback. You'll notice immediately when we look at underneath, it's got a different design with the engine, being that I've got a center coil pack right here with 2 plugs on one side and 2 plugs on the other side. I will also notice when I'm looking at this car that I've got my alternator in the front. And then underneath all this housing here, you can see slightly, there's some belts down here. I know it's difficult to see without the lights. Let me grab a light for you. There, you can see it a little better. So there's the lights, the belts, all the different accessories that are being ran off of the belt. As we look under the car now, if I take a step back, I've got my battery located right here. Fuse compartment is located right here. Master cylinder for the brakes right there. We move over to the other side of the car here. Got a couple different things going on over here. First off, right here, you can see I've got my air intake that flows then into this area right here where you'll see it has the throttle body connection that runs into the engine. Now where these engines are different is there's 2 cylinders on each side of the engine. So if I look closely at the coil pack here, you'll notice it would say 1 and 3 are on this side. And to see where the actual cylinders are, it's challenging, but if you follow our wire right here, you will notice it's located way down here at the bottom. The other one is actually located even further, and because each wire is going to be at the side of the engine. While I'm over here, I can see, you'll notice that tube down there with a yellow dipstick. That's going to be our transmission. Okay, so with the transmission coming off the back, we know that it is a longitudinal mounted engine. If I move back around to the front here, you can see right here we've got our radiator with our coolant, our engine oil addition and the dipstick with it. You'll notice here we've got simply our windshield wiper fluid. Back here you can see there's another yellow dipstick that looks like it's measuring our, also it's going to be measuring our oil back at the bottom there. If I look one more time or area, you can see right here we've got a fluid container here, and this is hooking up to the power steering pump. It flows down through and connects right down in that pump right there. Like I said, this is a much different style of engine. You'll notice it mostly on Subaru as they use these flat 4s. Some people prefer them. One thing I would point out is there's definitely a lot of things in a lot different locations that need to get used to.